In today's video, I would like to introduce a very nice problem. It was suggested by viewer. So here is the following information. We have a, b, c as natural numbers. We have this setup. If a square plus b square plus c square equals 4 times a plus 6 times b plus 10 times c minus 38. Okay. Our goal, we are going to find the value of this fraction as a natural number. Okay. So we have a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed over the sum of these terms, a plus b plus c. Okay. In fact, this problem has a special trick because we have a big expressions without giving any values of these numbers. So the thing here is a time consuming. Okay. And the time you spend on this fraction, try to factor out this term, but at the end you get nothing because you don't have any values to replace. Then you try to go to the previous expression, you find the same thing, then you keep going back and forth between two. At the end you find yourself you are running out of the time. Okay. But if you find the trick, then the problem become easily to solve. Okay. Let's give the hands to this problem before you get into the solution. So go ahead, pause this video when you are come back to see the full solution. Now let's jump into the solution. I have this expression. We have a square plus b square plus c square equals 4 times is multiplied by a plus 6 times is multiplied by b plus 10 times c minus 38. Okay. It seems you have a quinary square here, but we're missing the terms. Okay. Now we are going to cover this square in order to build a quinary square here. So we have 3 variables. On the right hand side also we have, so I'm going to move over all the unknown variables to the left and leave the numbers to the right. Okay. So we'll have a square plus b square plus c square minus 4 times a minus 6 times b minus 10c equals minus 38. Okay. I'm going to rearrange and group these variables. I will have a square minus 4a. I'm going to put this one together and move on to the next one. I will have b square, put this together as well. For the other one, c square minus 10c equals minus 38. Okay. Now if you take a look carefully at these two expressions, it seems we are able to create a quinary square here, but we're missing one term here. So we can recover that. This one we can rewrite as a minus 2 quinary square like this. When we try to distribute this one is given as a square minus 4 times a. We have extra term here which is 4. I'm going to subtract that term, which means minus 4. For this one I will have the same thing, b minus 3 quinary square. If I'm going to distribute, this one is given as b square minus 6 times b plus 9, but we don't have 9 here. We need to subtract that term as well. The same thing with this term. I will have c minus 5 quinary square. I will have c square minus 10c plus 25. I'm going to put minus 25 in order to cover this one. Minus 38. I'm going to move all the numbers to the right and leave this quinary square to the left side of this equation. Okay. So we'll have e minus 2 quinary square plus b minus 3 quinary square plus c minus 5 quinary square. I will have minus 38 plus 25 plus 9 plus 4. If you calculate these terms, I will have 4 plus 9, which is 13. 13 plus 25, which is 38. 38 minus 38 is given as 0. Okay. So all these terms are 0. There is no way to get 0 except if you give the 0 to this one. This one 0, this one 0, this one 0. Okay. So which means I will have a minus 2 equals 0 and b minus 3 equals 0 and c minus 5 equals 0. I'm going to solve for a, b and c. I will have a equals 2 and b equals 3 and c equals 5. Now I found the values of a, b and c. Now what's left, I'm just simply going to replace this value into this fraction. So I will have 2 cubed plus 3 cubed plus 5 cubed is divided by 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 cubed, which is 8, 3 cubed, which is 27. This is 5 cubed. 5 cubed is 125. Okay, is divided by 2 plus 3, which is 5, 5 plus 5, which is 10. If you calculate this one, is given as 160 over 10, which is 16. Okay, now I found the value of this fraction, which is 16. Okay, so I have done this problem. If you are interested to watch this one, don't forget to support us with your like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you next video. Bye.